In this tutorial, I will show you the various ways to organize and edit plots on trend charts and datalog views. You can change the order of the plots with the buttons below the chart as well as using keyboard shortcuts. First, you must select the desired plot to move by clicking on the plot in the list. To change the location of a plot in the list, hold down the Control key while pressing the up and down arrow keys. You can also move multiple plots by first holding the Control key while clicking on the plot items, then use the Control plus arrow keys to move the plots. As the order of the plots change in the list, they also change in real time on the chart legend. Multiple items can also be selected using the keyboard by holding down the Shift key, then press the up or down arrow keys. The plot list can be sorted by clicking on the column header for the column you want to sort. I will click on the label column once, to sort in ascending order. Clicking again will sort the column in descending order. Similarly, I can click on the datalog source column to sort in ascending and descending order. I'll close the Properties window and show you the various ways you can change plot properties of the chart. One way to change plot properties is to open the Plot Properties dialog by double-clicking on the plot item in the legend. This will open the Properties window and automatically select the proper plot in the plot list. Each time I double-click the item, you can see that the proper plot is selected in the Properties dialog. Some plot properties can also be changed directly from the legend. The Show and Bold checkboxes can be checked and unchecked directly. Also, double-clicking on the name, Scale High and Scale Low columns will allow editing the value directly in the legend. Scale position can be changed by clicking on the Scale Position drop-down. When opening the Properties dialog by double-clicking on the legend, be sure to click in an area that is not editable directly from the legend. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.